Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about lights, wipers, safety items to keep you safe on the road and keep other folks safe around you. This time of year, it gets dark earlier. It stays dark later when we leave in the morning, so we need to make sure these items are working on our vehicle. These are some pretty simple items to keep you safe. Headlights, number one. Make sure that your headlight bulbs are working. That way everybody can see you and you can see them for sure when coming towards you. Along with tail lights, turn signals, marker bulbs, all pretty simple and inexpensive to repair. But if you have one out, it makes it difficult for people to determine your vehicle, where you're at, where you're coming from, etc. So very important. Let's talk about wiper blades. This time of year, and especially now, we seem to be getting a lot of rain. Your wiper blades streak, etc. It makes it extremely hard for you to see. Worn out wiper blades are not good. They're quite inexpensive to replace. You can get some real good quality ones and can make your vision and your drive to work and to home a lot safer and also a lot more pleasurable for sure. So make sure that you're getting these items replaced when there's a concern with them. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB Radio.